What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. As y'all saw from my other video, at the end of it, if you watched it, I'm changing out the hub assembly on my Titan. Wanted to talk about something that could possibly help you, because we get out here in the field, things happen, situations happen, and you don't want to push yourself to make even more problems. And I'm gonna use my man Triple D as an example. Shout out to my man Triple D. Let's go. Alright people, it's kind of funny. Triple D had a situation last night, or yesterday evening. If you don't know Triple D, follow him and subscribe. And he called me essentially, and I don't laugh at him, Triple D knows I'm laughing with him. But he was out cutting. It was in the evening time, and he got his mower stuck. And he had posted it on Facebook. I saw it. I commented on it. Then he called me on a video chat. He had pulled his truck up to try to winch out his mower, and he got his mower stuck. And I had told him, even though it was hindsight, Monday morning quarterback, I told him that yeah, sometimes, bro, you just gotta throw in the towel. Sometimes it's better to just take a breath. A lot of times in business and even in life, we get so wound up in, I gotta get this done, and you try to rush stuff or push stuff, and you end up making it worse. So, but my man Triple D, he got his situation handled. His friend came, pulled his truck out, and I guess they pulled the mower out as well. But the situation that I'm having, I was having with this hub assembly, first time I went, everything went pretty smooth. This time I get all the way down to where I got to take off for people who are mechanics. The Triple D, he's a good mechanic, so he'll probably know what I'm talking about. I get all the way down to where I'm trying to get the 3 bolts off the hub, back of the hub assembly that holds the hub in, and they are rusted in. I'm spraying PB Blast, Rust Breaker, whatever on it, letting it soak, come back 30 minutes, come back an hour and a half, come back, and I'm just banging on this thing, and I said, you know what, bro? Went inside, washed my hands. I spent some time with my daughter, you know, and I'm like, how am I gonna get this thing free? And so after I took a break, took a step back, I came back refreshed. I looked at it, boom, a trick from Romeo. Shout out to Romeo, he always giving me tips and tricks. He had told me a long time ago, get some type of pipe, put it on your ratchet, and that'll give you more torque. I went around, I found a little, it's like a pipe bender, a conduit bender, but on the back end of the conduit bender is the bottom of the pipe is open, and it's just big enough to fit my ratchet handle in. I put it on there, and that thing turns like butter, bro. I've been sitting there banging on it, boom, 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 this and this and that. And I guess I made this video just to say, it's like, if I had kept banging at it, I could have stripped the bolt. I could have broke something else. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes you just have to sit back. You know what I mean? I've learned that when I'm out cutting. I used to go out. I got 14 yards to cut the day, 12 yards to cut the day. I got to bang, 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 get them out. And I had to teach myself, bro, like, you need some breaks. I was just thinking about this the other day, that I'll fill my mower up if I know I got a long day. But a lot of times I will fill my mower up using my gas can. I have a 5-gallon gas can. I'll fill it up, I'll pour it in my mower. Of course, it'll get me, most of the time it'll get, I don't have a big schedule, so it'll probably get me through the whole day. But even if I have to stop at the gas station, make an extra stop at a gas station to fill up, guess what? I'm getting an extra break. I'm not wearing myself down. So that's why I don't really mind it. But another thing I've taught myself is take lunch breaks. A lot of times we want to pack a lunch because I got to stay on the go. I got to get these jars going. Boom, 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 boom. Go to inside the building. Get some AC. Sit down at a table and eat like an adult. You know what I'm saying? Your your customers will understand, you know what I mean? They don't want you passing out in the middle of the yard, and then they gotta call the ambulance. And then now, not only do they gotta worry about getting you to the hospital, the grass is still not cut. But I just wanted to say that, like I said, shout out to Romeo, shout out to my man Triple D. I appreciate all y'all because I've gotten mechanic tips from Triple D as well. You know, subscribe to him. If you got some mechanic tips, ask him in the comments, send him a message. I'm pretty sure he can answer it. Anywho, just want to drop that quick jewel. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.